everyone. Thank you so much for joining what should be a very informative webinar today. I am thrilled to be joined by my two guests, Scott Gartenberg, who is our Director of Product Management at Intellistack, and Max Brennan, Intellistack's Corporate Counsel. All right, let's get started with you, Scott. Can you explain the current landscape of CLM processes and tools? How are people currently handling contracts? And what are some of their pain points with the existing tools that are available today?
Yeah, so I would say there are really three tiers of tools and approaches that we see customers pursuing when it comes to CLM. The first, no surprise, is really extremely manual. It's over Excel, it's over email. This is really the easiest solution to kind of get started with, of course, and of course it's the cheapest, but it really it yields very limited visibility, gives you risk exposure, and with no real software to help, we kind of frequently hear about missed deadlines and contracts slipping between the cracks as well. The second tier is really in the SMB market. Tools like Docusign IAM and other SMB tools. This is really the next level when people kind of graduate from manual processes into that next tier. And I would say there's really good visibility that these products can bring, but they're really not truly an all-in-one, no-code automation product that combines really simple data capture with document generation and robust CLM capabilities. And they really frequently have inferior pre-signature and workflow features as well. The final category where we see customers pursuing CLM is with the more enterprise level legacy products like Icertis, Ironclad. These can have really robust functionality, but honestly, they're a little bit clunky. There's enterprise bloat there, of course. They're often charging per user or per envelope as well. And it's really more functionality than most people really need. So where Intellistack Streamline CLM really falls here is in between that SMB level and that legacy enterprise level. We're priding ourselves on ease of use and extremely friendly user experience with just enough functionality to really get you from point A to point B in a seamless fashion at a price point that really fits the budget of mid-sized businesses.
That's great. Thank you so much. It's really good to understand the CLM market and where the Intellistack Streamline CLM is positioned.